Hi, I'm Dr. Bala Murali Krishnan. I'm an orthopedic and joint replacement surgeon working at Columbia Hospital, Sarjapur Road, Bangalore. I've been an orthopedic surgeon for over 20 years, and of which about 12 to 15 years has been exclusively in joint replacement surgery. The benefits of knee replacement surgery are far too many. Of course, it is a major surgery, so therefore it has its own pros and cons. But after a knee replacement surgery, the several benefits are mainly pain relief. The pain relief is so much so that patients' quality of life changes quite dramatically. Their walking distance improves. They're able to do all their activities of daily living quite comfortably. They're able to climb stairs as much as they want. They're able to take part in sporting activities like swimming or even golfing. They're able to drive cars and play with their grandchildren. Of course, there are certain restrictions wherein we don't allow or we recommend not to sit on the floor or sit cross-legged or to squat, because the pressure that is exerted on the replaced joint surfaces is too much. And if you can destroy God's given bone, knee replacement surgery is, after all, is man-made substitute.